In our nation's capital now, the White House and Congress continue to look for ways to blunt the economic damage done by this crisis.
And today, stocks, well, they actually edged up slightly higher as lawmakers begin to take some action here. Stocks, just part of the picture. Senate Republicans unveiled a bill which includes rebates of $1,200 for most individuals on their 2018 tax returns if they reported less than $75,000 and $2,400 for couples who earned less than $150,000. Also in Washington tonight, a push to fast-track research on certain drugs. CBS 2's Skyler Henry is at the White House.
President Trump said there may be a glimmer of hope in the fight against the coronavirus.
I think it could be a game changer.
On Thursday, the president announced that 2 existing medications had been identified as potential COVID-19 treatments. One is an experimental Ebola drug. The other, hydroxychloroquine, was developed to treat malaria, but has been used as an arthritis medicine since the 1950s.
It's been around for a long time, so we know that if things don't go as planned, it's not going to kill anybody.
Both drugs are now being tested in clinical trials. If they're effective, Mr. Trump says they will be fast-tracked for FDA approval.
Passengers in South are required to maintain a 1-meter distance.
Optimism was in short supply elsewhere. The State Department issued a rare Level 4 advisory, telling U.S. citizens they should avoid traveling outside the country. Those already overseas are urged to return at once. The number of coronavirus deaths in Italy now surpasses the total in China, where the virus emerged late last year. Chinese authorities, meanwhile, reported no new infections on Thursday, the first time that's happened since the outbreak began.
The federal response to the coronavirus crisis continues to be hampered by shortages of medical equipment and supplies.
There's not enough testing available right now to meet demand. The good news is that here they're starting up.
This pandemic continues to wreak havoc on the world's financial markets. The Dow saw a modest gain Thursday, but economists are bracing for a potentially unprecedented surge in the number of people applying for unemployment benefits. Skyler Henry, CBS News, the White House.